Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today, as you can see, I'm releasing a simple crochet heart tutorial. As you can see, it has two different colors. This is a very simple crochet pattern. As always, a free pattern will be available on my website. The link will be in the description box. So for this project, I used a medium 4 yarn, which is also called an aran weight yarn. I used this yarn, which is Drops Muscat, 100% cotton, and you can also use an acrylic yarn. I also made these with an acrylic yarn. I will be linking all of the materials in the description box. You will also be needing a 5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. As I said, I will be linking all the materials in the description box, including the exact colours. This is also available on my blog, the free pattern. I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, you will be taking the darker yarn and making a slip knot. So just go ahead, make a slip knot, pop your hook through and tighten. And now you will be chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've chained 4, you will be slip stitching through the first chain to create a circle into which we will be working. I am going to be fastening in the loose end as I go. So to begin, you will be chaining 1, and this chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Now you are going to be placing a single crochet into the center. So to create a single crochet, pop your hook directly through, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. I'm just going to zoom in. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. In this creates your first single crochet, and you will be needing 9 in total. So just go ahead and place your 9 single crochets in total. As you can see, I am fastening in the loose end simply because I will be pulling on this to close up this space. Okay, so I've placed 9 single crochets. Now that I've placed 9 single crochets, I am slip stitching through the first single crochet that we made, like so, to close off this round. Now for round 2, chain 1. Once again, this does not count as a stitch. And in this stitch here, the first stitch under which we've just slip stitched, you will be placing 2 double crochets. So 2 double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the stitch, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. In this creates a double crochet. Now go back in with another double crochet inside this stitch, the same stitch, like so. And now place a treble crochet inside this same stitch. So to treble crochet, wrap your yarn twice around your hook, go into the stitch, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. And this creates a treble crochet. Now go into the next stitch with 2 double crochets. So go ahead and place 2 double crochets inside the next stitch. And now place 2 half double crochets together inside the next stitch. So 2 half double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the stitch, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through all 3 loops like so, and place another half double crochet inside this stitch. Now you are placing a double crochet inside the next 3 stitches. So place a double crochet on its own inside the next stitch. Now go into the next stitch with a double crochet, and inside the next stitch with a double crochet. Now place 2 half double crochets inside the next stitch. So go ahead and place your first half double crochet and then your second half double crochet. Now place 2 double crochets inside the next stitch, so 1 and 2, and now in the next stitch you will be placing 1 treble inside the stitch and place 2 double crochets inside the stitch. And this is our heart almost finished. As you can see, to finish off this stitch you are simply slip stitching through that first stitch at the center like so, and now simply snip off your yarn and pull through. And as you can see, we have the heart. We are going to be pulling the center in to tighten. And now I'm going to show you how to crochet the border. Okay, so this is what we have for now. And to start the border with the lighter shade, you will be attaching your yarn to this first stitch. So I've just showed you where I'm placing my hook, and now I'm just going to pull my yarn through, tie a knot like so. There we go. And now we are ready to start this border. So I am fastening in both loose ends. So now chain 1, and this does count as a stitch. Place a single crochet inside that same first stitch here. So single crochet like so. Now go into the next stitch here with 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Like I say, I am fastening in my loose end. Place another 2 single crochets into the next stitch, and as you can see, I'm simply placing 2 single crochets per stitch, if that makes sense. So just go ahead and go all the way around, and once you've gone all the way around, I will show you how to finish off this project. Okay, so as you can see, I've gone all the way around. To finish off this project, I'm going to place my last single crochet at the center just to make it look nice and neat. And now I will be slip stitching under the stitch here. Okay, so I fastened off and I'm simply going to pull through like so to close off this part. And obviously this is slightly fiddly, so just take your time on doing this. Don't forget to pull your center in before sewing in all your loose ends and snipping off all your loose ends. So this is the finished project. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.